So now what we have here, so we have what looks to be a power supply. This is probably what's dead on this thing. Then you have this little board here. You got this nice board up here, which has quite a bit of gold. So I'm going to show you guys, and quite a few of those monolithic capacitors. So let's unscrew this guy, see what happens, see what we find. Sure we'll find something interesting in here, but usually these flat screens don't have much, especially compared to the big ones from those big CRT monitors from back in the day. Those had quite a bit of aluminum and obviously copper. So we have this little board here. Probably hard to see, but this here has gold. Quite a bit of those monolithic capacitors. Nothing too special over there. So we have the power supply over here. This is what's dead. And yeah, I can see here this transistor has popped, so that's why it's not working anymore. You can see it's hard to tell, but this one is flat on the top, and this one kind of has like a little bump, so we know this is the bad one. So definitely a power supply issue. This is metal, so obviously. Or metal, obviously it's metal, meaning steel. So no aluminum or anything there. Let's take out the power supply. See if there's anything else in there. Take a closer look. One more screw over here.